Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Carping, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is 5 steps to revenue recognition. This is a series of 6 videos about revenue recognition, and the other 5 videos they are in our video description. We will be talking about these videos later. Okay, so first of all, what is revenues? Revenues are inflow or other enhancements of assets of an entity or settlements of its liability, or a combination of both. From delivering or producing goods, rendering services, or other activities that constitute the entity's ongoing major or central operations. So it is the when we have revenue, we have profit, we have earnings. When we have earnings, we increase our stockholders' equity. And when we increase our stockholders' equity, either we increase our assets or decrease our liabilities. Okay? And measuring and reporting revenue is a critical aspect of financial reporting. It is important not only to determine how much revenue to, to, to recognize, but also when. And that is the major problem. So when we talk about revenue recognition, we are talking about how much and when. And the revenue recognition, we have some changes in 2009, 2010 from the new FASB standards. That is very, very aligned with IFRS standards. So we can use this video for both. We have very few difference here. Revenue from contracts with customers. Uh, when we combine a lot of different standards. Okay, and the core principle is companies recognize revenue when goods or services are transferred to customer for the amount the company expects to be entitled to receive in exchange for those goods and services. So when and how much? Again. So we have the 5 steps to revenue recognition. The first one, identify the contract. Okay, what is it? What is our revenue? Second, identify the performance obligation. First of all, how many performance obligation will I have? Only one. For instance, I go to grocery store and I purchase strawberry. I have on the grocery store they have only one performance obligation. That is, give me the strawberry. However, the second one I can have multiple obligations. For instance, I purchase some books and also I purchase I give them some money, so they send me for free the new editions. So we have more than one performance obligation here. Or I go to have maintenance in my car and I have my tires replaced, the oil replaced, and also I pay for a lot of other items in the present or in the future. We have more than one performance obligation. Three, determine the transaction price. How much will I pay for my strawberry? And then the fourth one, allocate it. And why this is very important, especially if I have multiple performance obligation. And for instance, I pay $100 for subscription for some device, and I don't have the price separately. So we need to allocate the transaction price. And the last one is when. Revi- Recognize revenue when each performance obligation is satisfied. If I have only one, okay, no problem. If I have more than one, maybe I will have different times or different wins. And to end it, let's talk a little bit about our other videos. We have a second video about single performance obligation. That is, I'm going to grocery store and I purchase one box of strawberry. or multiple performance obligation. I am going to my car dealer and to get my maintenance in my car, and I can have a lot of service and goods and subscriptions and so on. So this is our next two videos, and then we will have three videos about long-term contracts, profitable long-term contracts, a partial loss, and entire loss per long-term contract. So this is a brief overview about our revenue recognition. Okay, and all of the other videos, they are in our video description. And when we go to long-term contracts, we will also have Excel files, and all of our Excel files, they are free to download. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel, like our video, like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.